Hi, today I'm going to show you two different kinds of pudding, that is vanilla pudding and chocolate pudding. Actually, I'm doing this video because some of you have requested me to upload a video on how to make vanilla pudding. So here I go with it today. But before I proceed, let me tell you one thing. Please watch my video till the end because I'll be telling you the other ingredients that I'll be using for the chocolate pudding later on. So first of all, let's start with the vanilla pudding. So for that, here are the ingredients. In this mug, I have 300 ml of fresh milk, 1½ tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now let's go and start the process. Sugar you can take according to your taste. I have placed a pan on the stove and I'm keeping the flame in simmer. So into this pan I'm going to pour the milk. Then add the corn flour. Then the sugar, egg, and I'm going to boil this for some time. I'm going to continuously stir the mixture so that it doesn't clump up at the bottom. So I'll cook this for around 3 minutes. After that only, I'm going to add the vanilla essence and the butter. You can see that after cooking for around 3 minutes, the liquid is becoming thick. So now I'm going to add the vanilla essence. And the butter, and let the butter melt completely. So I have cooked exactly for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to switch off the gas. While the vanilla pudding is taking rest, let's prepare the chocolate pudding. So for that, here are the ingredients. I have 300 ml of fresh milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1½ tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of chopped chocolate pieces, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of butter. Butter you can skip if you don't like. I prefer using butter to the pudding. So let's go and start preparing the pudding. I'm going to use the same pan that I used to make the vanilla pudding. So into this I'm going to add the milk, the cocoa powder, then the corn flour, the chocolate pieces, 1 egg, then I forgot to tell you one more ingredient, that is the sugar. I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to give a thorough mix. I'm keeping the flame in simmer. So this I'm going to cook for around 3 minutes. I'm going to keep on stirring continuously so that it will not clump up at the bottom and later on we will not get any lumps. So we have to keep on stirring and cook till it becomes thick. Now I add the butter also. Butter, as I have told you before, you can add, and if you don't like, you can skip that also. That is up to you. That is optional. the chocolate pudding is done now, I'm going to switch off the gas. Now let's go and start decorating our puddings. So here they are, our two different kinds of pudding. I'll arrange in some glasses and after that I'll show you. So I've taken one goblet here. Into this I'm going to pour the chocolate pudding. So here I drop. And on top of this, I'm going to drop the vanilla pudding. Now I drop the vanilla pudding. Now the third layer, that is the chocolate pudding. So here it is, our vanilla and chocolate pudding. How does it look? So yummy, isn't it? I have garnished with some white chocolate chips and grated dark brown chocolate. I'm sure you'll try to make this recipe. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching.